I feel like every camper should be coming with these ACs. Yeah, my name is Derek Smith, and I'm a veterans benefits attorney. So the reason I'm able to, live out of this thing in the summer months is because all my work is remote. When you're a VA benefits attorney, your clients are everywhere around the country, and oftentimes your work is primarily remote. Board of Veterans Appeals hearings are now done via video conference if the veteran elects that, which my clients almost always do because you don't have to travel to DC. So what that means for me is I have the freedom to be able to work from anywhere and still provide the same quality of service for my clients. So my wife, who's a teacher, she has summers off, and so we kind of got this idea in our heads, hey, in the summertime, let's live out of this camper, go some cool places. I can still work remotely, and we can see some places that we wouldn't otherwise be able to see. So that's what brought us to Nomadic. So we got this cool AC that'll keep us nice and cool in the summer months. And the reason we ended up here at Nomadic today is because we had ordered this camper from an RV dealer out in Idaho. They told me they were going to be able to install this for us perfectly without any issues, and went and picked it up, and that was not the case. I called down here, and people here at Nomadic were gracious enough to try and walk me through how to fix some of these issues on my own, but I wasn't able to figure it out. I'm not super mechanically inclined, and so we came down here. Well, actually, they invited us to come out here to help us out by completing the install for us. And after completing the install for us today, it's pretty much all good to go now. They're just finishing up a couple things, and we'll leave here with a totally working AC unit. They did not have to do that for us, by the way, but they were willing to do that for us. And yeah, just a super cool move, so we really appreciate it. So the reason this AC is super nice for us is the one that we had previously that came stock with the Cirrus 820 camper is 110 or 120 volt AC. And so what that means is we could only run it for about 1, maybe 2 hours, even on 500 amp hours of lithium batteries, before it completely kills all of our power reserves, right? But with this 12 volt AC, you can run it for, in theory, multiple days if you're running it only at nighttime to cool down before you go to sleep at night, right? So you put it on the full power mode to get it cool in here for maybe an hour or so, then you switch it to eco mode. And then if you do it like that with 500 amp hours of lithium batteries, I should be able to run it for 3 or 4 days in a row, assuming we're doing a little bit of driving to get some charge back with our DC-DC charger, or if we're generating some power from our solar panels on the roof. We've got 370 watts of solar and then a fold-out set of 200 watt solar panels as well. So we're able to regenerate almost all, if not all, of the power we use for the AC during the nighttime to keep cool. And then we can do the same thing again the next day. So it just extends our ability to get out to remote places without needing to go charge in a campsite or something like that. So, yeah, my website is yourveteranslawyer.com, and my email is Derek, DEREK, at yourveteranslawyer.com.